Hey Superstars! My name is Miss Sieber. This is my virtual classroom and welcome to Superstar Parking. So today we are going to be learning about something completely new and I am so excited to teach you about our lesson today. But before we begin, you know the rules. Everybody take their right hand, put it inside their imaginary backpack, pull out their thinking cap, put it on, turn it on, kiss your brain, and let's get ready to learn. So in my last few episodes, we were learning about area and perimeter. But today, we are learning about something completely new, and it involves shapes. Miss Sieber, what do you mean shapes? Let's take a look. Today, we are learning about plane shapes. Plane shapes are 2D shapes that are on a flat surface. There are two types of plane shapes. There are plane shapes that are closed and plane shapes that are open. Plane shapes that are closed? What does that mean, Miss Sieber? Well, closed plane shapes means it's a shape that starts and ends at the same point. An open shape means it starts at one point, but it does not end at the same point. Now, do you want to know a secret? When I think of closed and open shapes, I think about trying to get inside the shape. If the shape is closed, can I get inside? No. But if the shape is open, can I get inside? Yes. Now, when we're looking at plane shapes, there's some vocabulary that you guys need to know in order to be successful. Are you ready to learn? My first term that you need to know, it's called a point. This little dot right here is called a point. It is an exact position or location. So when we're looking at my line, here is my point. The next vocabulary term that you guys need to know is called a line. A line, it's just a straight line and it doesn't end. So when you're looking at my straight line, these two arrows tells me that it keeps going on forever. What do you mean a line that goes on forever? Well, if my line has two arrows on each side, that tells me my line is just gonna keep going. So in order for my line to have a stop, it has to have something called a endpoint. This is my line. It's a straight line, but these two dots right here, they are points that show me segments of a line, meaning that they stop my line. Now, a line that has two endpoints, what is that called? Well, a line that has two endpoints is called a line segment. And my last vocabulary term that we need to know, it's called array. What is array, Miss Sieber? Well, array is a straight line. It has one endpoint and the other side of my line is an arrow, meaning it just continues to go on. Now, you guys know Miss Sieber loves her surprises. So today's surprise is something that you guys have no idea what it's going to be. You know Miss Sieber loves to have fun, and my favorite way to have fun while learning is to play a game. Now, instead of bringing a guest in today to play the game with me, I decided that you guys are going to be my special surprise and my special guest. So what that means is you guys are going to be answering questions and seeing if you guys know the vocabulary terms and seeing how smart your brain is. So before we begin the game and learn about the rules, I would like everyone to pause the video, go grab a sheet of paper and a pencil and get ready to be a superstar. All right, if you're watching the video now, that means that you have a sheet of paper and a pencil and you are ready to hear the rules of my game. So here's how my game works. I'm going to hold up a popsicle stick, just like this one, and I'm going to ask you a question. You will have 3 seconds to answer the question. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, and then I'm going to tell you the answer and we will see if you got it correct. Now, all right, superstars, are you guys ready to get started with my game? Woo! I am. So, without further ado, let's get going, superstars. All right, question number 1. Is this shape open or is it closed? Go. This shape is in fact closed. It starts and ends at the same point. So we can't get inside this object. Way to go, superstars. All right, superstars, are you guys ready for question number 2? For question number 2, I want to know, is this a line or is this a line segment? Go. This, in fact, is a line segment. And you know how I know why? Because a line segment has two endpoints, and a real line has 2 arrows, meaning it goes on forever. Wow, superstars, you guys are doing an amazing job. So, are you ready for question number 3? For question number 3, I want to know, if I look at my arrows, is it pointing to a point or to endpoints? Go! Well, if you said that these are endpoints, you are correct. I know that these are endpoints because if you look, they are stopping the end of my line, which creates a line segment. So, before we go to question number 4, kiss your brain and say, good job, maybe a pat on the back too. For question number 4, I want to know, is this a line segment or is this a ray? Go! If your answer was it's a ray, then you got it correct. Air high five. The reason why I know it is not a line segment is because a line segment has 2 endpoints, but this only has 1 endpoint and the other side has an arrow to keep on going. So it is a ray. I don't know about you guys, but I'm impressed. You guys are really good at this game. All right, superstars, let's take a look at question number 5. For question number 5, I want to know, is this a line or is it a ray? Go! Well, if you said that this is a line, you are correct. A line has 2 arrows at the end and it is straight. You guys are awesome. All right, superstars, my next question, I think it's kind of a freebie because I think it's pretty easy, but you guys show me that your brains are so smart. All right, superstars, we have 2 more questions left. But before we get to the last question, let's see how you guys do on question number 6. So, get your pencils ready to write down your answer. What is this a picture of? On your mark, get set, go! If you said that this is a point, you are correct. Now, this question is worth 2 points. So if you get this question correct, that means that you're a superstar and you are awesome. So let's look at my last problem. For question number 7, I want to know, how many line segments does this shape have? Go! Alright, superstars, let's count to see how many line segments my shape has. From this point to this point is 1. This is 1 line segment. This is 2 line segments, 3 line segments, 4 line segments, and 5 line segments. So if you said that this shape had 5 line segments, you are correct. Way to go, superstars. I'm impressed, and I don't know about you, but my brain is super duper tired from all of this math. So before I end our learning for today, I would like everyone to give me an air high five, pat yourself on the back, kiss your brain, and I want you to know that I am super proud of you. All right, superstars, I had so much fun learning with you today. I am so proud of you, and I will see you next time.